Hello, here's an original song composed by yours truly from my hometown Claveria, Cagayan. Arranged by Paulo Torralba Osorio and sponsored by Landmark del Carpio Tolentino. Kadagiti Claverianos around the world. Asidegan apo, tintay pa nakikita, ija Las Vegas, Nevada. October 18, don't forget, please contact Rema, Safra. Kita-kita po tayo with my daughter, Vhen Bautista. And here's a song, Claveria My Hometown. I hope you guys like it. Claveria, my hometown, cradle of my soul. Years have passed since I walked your gentle roads. I miss the farm, my playground wide and free, where carabaos, chickens and dogs played with me. I miss the birds singing at break of day, and frogs' sweet chorus when night hopes sway. They were my orchestra, wild and true, as I sang atop my carabao beneath skies so blue. Oh, Claveria, you live in my heart, though time and distance keep us apart. I wish I could turn back the hands of time, to be young again in your hills so fine. I miss the cry of the owl in the night, a hunting hymn beneath the pale moonlight. Each sound, each breeze, each rustling tree still whispers your lullaby back to me. Where I first cried, first walked, first spoke, where dreams were born beneath the Palma Brava oak. I've waited for wings to steady and grow, to chase the skies, to rise and glow. Oh, Claveria, you live in my heart, though time and distance keep us apart. I wish I could turn back the hands of time, to be young again in your hills so fine. Claveria, my hometown, my guiding light. You shaped my days, you gave me flight. I'll sing your name till the end of days, forever yours in love and praise. Thanks for watching.